Oh, folks, today I will show you how to fix zip lock on your bag. If it's completely, you pull the runner out. If you pull the lock out, I'll show you how to assemble. I look at a bunch of YouTube videos and there's nobody show anything. So here exactly how this should be. See, you put the bags in your on your feet or on the table. So basically make sure these lines kind of going down like this towards you from both sides, and that's where you start from. So on this side you'll see, so you have to slide one side first, just one side till about here. Then you slide another side in and you use the pliers to hold both ends like this. First of all, you don't have ends, you have to put on one side like this and hold it. Meanwhile you're holding it, you pull the zip lock up. As soon as you bottom a little bit up here, you grab it at the bottom. See, in my case I even break a little bit. So after you finished like this, it's all done. I can close it right now. After you finished, you need to use a needle and a string just to sew this together or staple it so it doesn't fall apart. That's basically how you fix the zip lock that's pulled out. Alright, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.